In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests. If you regularly receive requests and want them to organize themselves the moment they arrive, this walkthrough will show you how to set up a simple rule so Asana does the busy work for you. Start on the home screen in Asana. This gives you a clean starting point and ensures you're in the right space before you make any changes. From there, head over to the left sidebar and open My Tasks. This is where new work assigned to you typically lands, which makes it a great place to create an automation that instantly triages incoming intake items. Look to the top right and open the Customize panel. Customize is your control center for layout, fields, and most importantly here, rules. Inside that panel, choose Rules. Rules let you define a trigger and one or more actions, so when something happens, like a new task is created or a field changes, Asana responds automatically. Click Add to open the rule gallery. You'll see suggested templates and categories to help you get started quickly. This is where you can transform your intake process from manual sorting to automatic routing. Take a moment to browse. Think about the trigger that best matches how requests arrive for you. If requests are assigned to you, a task added to My Tasks trigger works well. If your intake project uses custom fields like request type or priority, you might look for a trigger based on a field change. Actions can include moving the task to a section, setting a due date, assigning it to a teammate, adding a comment, or applying a tag, whatever keeps your process consistent. When you spot the one you need, select it and review the details. Most templates let you fine-tune the trigger and choose exactly what the rule should do. Give special attention to sections and due dates, since those two settings often make the biggest difference in speed and clarity. Clear naming also helps. Choose a rule name that explains its purpose, like route new intake to triage. Once your selections look right, publish the rule. Publishing turns it on so it runs automatically going forward. After publishing, keep an eye on the first few requests that come in to confirm the behavior matches your expectations. If you notice anything you want to tweak, like a different section, a shorter due date, or an added comment for requesters, you can return to Customize, open rules, and adjust without starting over. That's it. With a simple rule in place, your intake requests will land where they belong, with the right context the moment they arrive.